Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to create a Facebook page. So here you need to first open your Facebook app. Go to the top menu, the three bars. Then you open the pages. Here I've created my pages, but you have to create another one. Create, then you type the name of your page. I have called mine Brian Johnson. Press next. Then here they want you to choose the category of your page. You can even type yours. Here you have to fill the bio. This is to show what your page is all about. From I've typed selling spare parts. Selling spare parts. Then for the part of contact, you can even decide to skip it, but if you have any you can fill. Facebook is denied. From I've skipped website, email, phone number, then to the address or the location. I added Rwanda because I'm in Rwanda right now. Then city or town, Kigali, Rwanda. Kigali, Rwanda. Then the contact, no, the postcode, I've added any 256. Then press next. Then the page is already created. You can add the profile and the cover. Add the profile and the cover. Yes, I've added one. Thanks for watching.